What's up guys, Kawasaki Brad here, and today we're going to be going over clutch lever free play. That is how you adjust your clutch cable to get the proper amount of slack and tension to make it operate properly. I get a lot of questions about this at the shop. I find it's often overlooked, so I wanted to make a quick step-by-step, show you how easy it is to set up and get done. Now, clutch free play is literally the amount of free play your clutch lever has before it starts pulling on the cable. Now, these all adjust the same way as a cable clutch. You have a little lock nut, you have a barrel adjuster that either can increase or decrease the amount of length you're putting on the cable. And for all of them, you're going for about 1/8 of an inch free play. Some people more, some people less, but your manual is going to tell you 1/8. That's a good place to start, and we can go from there. So that 1/8 I'm talking about is in the highlighted area over by where the ruler is. And that's going to be the measurement of the amount of slack we need from when the lever is pushed up against its stop until it actually starts to pull the cable. Now, when we're turning that barrel adjuster in or clockwise, we are increasing the amount of slack or free play on the cable. When we turn that adjuster out or counterclockwise, we are decreasing the amount of free play on that cable. And really the only way to get a feel for that is to play with it, move the lever back and forth to its full extent, and turn it, see what it feels like. Now, what you absolutely do not want to do is have everything lined up like you can see here with the barrel adjuster and the lock nut, so all of the cable slots are facing straight forward, which allows a whole bunch of road grime and grit to basically fly into that cable and housing, and I promise you it's not going to work very well for very long if that's how it's set up. If that does happen to be where it's perfectly set, and Murphy's Law has a way of working out that way, watch the next part and I'll show you how to get rid of that. Now, 1/8 free play on one end of the cable is still 1/8 free play on the other end of the cable. Now, if you're running out of adjustment on the clutch perch end, you can come down to this end of the cable and adjust it in or adjust it out to kind of bring yourself back into the middle of the range. And just like up top, we are moving the cable housing one way or the other to either add free play or reduce free play. And you can see what I'm doing here is I'm actually moving the cable housing to the right, and that's decreasing the amount of free play, and I'm kind of checking it with my left hand on the clutch lever, and you can see how much that's moving back and forth. Again, we're going for 1/8 cable movement. And what I did there is I didn't loosen the lock nut enough. So if it stops moving, check the lock nut on the other side. Chances are you're in the same situation. Now, don't forget to tighten those up against each other. Chances are you're not going to be back here adjusting this for a while, so make them pretty snug. Well, thank you for watching, everyone. I hope you found this informative. I do enjoy making these videos, so if there's something you would like to see specifically, please let me know in the comments below, or let me know if you feel I can cover something in depth that I probably should have and skipped over top. In the meantime, go out and ride it like you're sponsored. Now, we all love adjustable levers, but chances are if you're watching this video, it's because you're having a clutch adjustment free play issue, and I want to show you something that's also often overlooked. When your levers are adjusted all the way in, you very substantially reduce the amount of cable pull you have. So you might not be fully disengaging the clutch, even with a full lever pull, if it's that close to your bars. Yeah, it's comfortable, but it doesn't work.